Let's go. Nature. Let's do a nature walk. Look at that smells around here though, but look right there, nature and nature everywhere. Oh, a squirrel! Hold on, be still. Where'd you go, squirrel? Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Come back, you nutty squirrel, you. Oh, you're the one who tried to put a rock in a tree. You still have that rock? No? Okay. Man, this area is awesome. I like this nature walk, y'all. Look at these. Look at that tall tree. Jeez. You ever seen such a tall tree? I sure haven't. There it goes. Oh man, it looks like it's definitely higher than 30 feet. Wait, no, that's not the tree I'm thinking of. Never mind. That's not the right tree. Where is it? I think it's farther along. But yeah, y'all. There's some tall trees around here. I don't even know I walked the wrong way. Oops. Made a wrong turn, y'all. But yeah. Nature, isn't it nice? We're right next to a little playground with a zip line. And a river. Yep. Nice cool place, huh, y'all? There's the park. That way. This way leads over the water. The nasty, nasty looking water. With all the... People sure like to live around here, jeez. Those little bugs. But yeah. See a river, y'all. A river. Okay. Bye-bye.